Hey guys, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. My name's Roland. Today we're going to take the saws. We're going to go up my driveway there. We're going to cut some trees, just do some cleanup that has to be done. We're going to move a little bit of firewood around to the back and enjoy the beautiful weather. It's snowing today. It's about +1 or 0 degrees. It's just a nice time to be outside and get some work done. But first I got to get this truck cleaned off. So what I have here is this cool snow brush that's made by C's. Look at the brushes on this. Then you have a foam squeegee at the end where you can push or pull your snow off. And this is great for doing trucks because you can extend this handle. It's a 51-inch long handle. And on the end here, we have a scraper. Look at the teeth on that scraper. It'll scrape your windows without scratching your windows. It'll handle some tough ice, that's for sure. So we got to get the truck cleaned off. I usually take the snow off of my whole vehicle because I don't like having all that weight on my vehicle, especially when it's wet. This snow is pretty fluffy, but it could get more mild and get wet. Does a good job. Might as well do the roof while we're here. So we're going to try the squeegee part here. I'll show you how this works. It's good for pushing snow. Lift the wipers, clean them underneath the wiper. Finish cleaning off the roof here. You can clean your truck really fast when you got the extra long handle here. And look at this grip on this. It's a foam grip, so if you didn't have gloves, you know, your hands wouldn't freeze on like the steel part would. It's nice and warm. Like I said, you can adjust it to whatever way you like. You can take it off apart again, but we don't want to do that right now. But it all snaps together. You can push this, you can angle it whatever way you want, or like that, or like that. Whatever helps you get the job done the quickest. Let's extend that all the way. And you could even take off this part here and make a shorter handle if you want. And you could also take the scraper off if you wanted to, and just use it that way if you wanted to. Snaps back together like nothing. So I also like to clean off the tonneau cover on my truck to reduce the weight. Plus, you know, when you're going down the highway, you don't want all that hard snow flying off into somebody else's windshield. And you know what's great about having a long handle on your snow brush? You can just close your wipers like this without reaching across the hood of your truck with your hand. Now, I didn't have any ice on the windshield. I would like to show you how the scraper works, but trust me, it works really good. If you're interested in a brush like this, I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can find them on Amazon. Okay, now let's get to cutting up some trees and moving some firewood. now we're gonna do some snow plowing with the Cforce and the Click and Go 2 plow blade. It'll be my first time plowing any snow with the Cforce, and I'm looking forward to it. Although we just got like a couple inches, it isn't much, but if I leave it down here, it's gonna get wet. It's kind of like misty rain now, and it just gets all messy. So I'm gonna clean it up, play with that toy a little bit, and have some fun. Well, that was easy enough. That's done quick. I would do the long driveway if we had more snow, but we only got like a couple inches. So I'm just gonna leave this. It's gravel and we're driving on top of it. It's flattening out pretty good. So we'll just leave it. And I was gonna bring some firewood around to the back, but you know what? It's kind of getting dark and we got a event to go to in a couple hours. So I think I'm just gonna call it quits. And if you like that heavy duty snow brush I was using, it is strong, it's built well. If you want to check it out, just go click on that link down below in the description of this video. And again, thanks, and we'll see you on the next video.